Magandang araw guys. Ngayong araw muli tayo magre-react dito sa isang napaka-talented na Pinoy guys. Habang naghahanap tayo kanina ng ating ire-react, nakita natin yung video ni Kuya. Si Kuya Victorino Guerra Pacaldo. Ayan, nakita ko sa Facebook yung kanyang nakakatuwang video guys ng cover song ng kanta ng Aerosmith, Steve Tyler, yung Amazing. Nakaka-good vibes to guys. Panoorin natin kung gaano kagaling yung talent ni Kuya Victorino. Ayos. Usay niya rin mag-acoustic ano.
Keep the right ones out, let the wrong ones in.
Parang Aerosmith din. Parang Steve Tyler din yung style ng pagkanta ni Kuya Victorino. Yung expression ng mukha niya, no? Nakakatawa.
Had an angel of mercy to save me through all my sins. There were times in my life,
yun no. Ayos.
when I was going insane, try and walk through the pain.
Yun. Kuwang-kuwa niya yun, no? Yung tili ni Steve Tyler.
And I lost my grip, and I hit the floor. Yeah, I thought I could leave, but couldn't get out the door. Yes, sir.
Di lang siya ganun kalinaw, bumigkas ng lyrics. Pero yung expression, yung tono, kuha niya.
I was so sick and tired of living a lie. I was wishing that I would die. It's amazing.
Medyo nagkamali pa siya ng chords. Pero okay lang, nakakatuwa pa rin siya panoorin. Yung estilo niya nakaka-good vibes.
When I play you in night, you finally see the light. Oh, it's amazing. When the moment arrives that you know you'll be alright.
Todo performance. Talagang tinodo na ni Kuya, no? Galing. Feel na feel niya talaga.
Yeah, it's amazing. Then I'm saying a prayer for the desperate hearts tonight. That's one last shot, permanent vacation. And how high can you fly with broken wings?
Parang natural yung boses niya na ganun din. Kagaya kay Steve Tyler.
Life's a journey, not a destination.
Medyo husky.
And I just can't say just what tomorrow brings. Yeah.
Natutuwa ako pag naririnig ko yun eh. Yung hagod ng boses
You have
niya.
to learn to crawl before you learn to walk. But I just couldn't listen to all this.
Ayos yung birit ni Kuya doon.
I should talk. Oh yeah. I was on the street.
Ayan, medyo hindi niya tinapos. Nakakatuwa, nakaka-good vibes na makapanood ng mga ganitong Pinoy talent. Ayan guys, sa mga hindi pa nakapollow sa page ni Kuya Victorino Guerra Pacaldo. Ayan, ipa-flash natin sa screen. Hanapin nyo guys at i-follow nyo. Suportahan natin ang mga Pinoy na talagang nagsusumikap na makilala sa mundo ng social media. Ayan, medyo marami na rin siyang followers. 43,000 followers yung kanyang followers. Ayan guys, magkita-kits ulit tayo sa mga susunod pang reaction video. At kung meron kayong mga request, i-comment nyo lang at tignan natin kung magagawa natin ng video reaction yan. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.